डिफरन्स. आपण डिफरन्सिएशन स्टँडर्ड वे चॅप्टर नंबर 1 डिफरन्सिएशन. डिफरन्सिएशन त्यामध्ये आपण एक्सरसाइज 1.5 एक्सरसाइज 1.5 याला सुरुवात केली. तर यामध्ये आपण 2 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट केले. आपला पुढचा जो क्वेश्चन आहे नंबर 3 तो क्वेश्चन यामध्ये स्टार्ट करायचा. आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 मध्ये फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज if x equal to 80 square and y equal to 280, y is equal to 280, then show that x multiply y into d2y by dx square plus a equal to 0. काय शो दॅट करायचं आपल्याला? तर x multiply y d2y by dx square plus a equal to 0. तर हे एक्झाम्पल आपण यापूर्वीही 2-3 वेळेस सॉल्व्ह केलंय. x equal to 80 स्क्वेअर आणि y equal to 280. तर पहा यामध्ये first we write the given equations, that is the parametric equations. X equal to 80 square and second is the y equal to 280. Y equal to 280. These are the 2 equations. Now we differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to 280 derivative 2 multiply 80. Similarly derivative of y dy by dt is equal to 2a, derivative of t is 1. याप्रमाणे आधी डेरिव्हेटिव्हचं कॅल्क्युलेशन यामध्ये करायचं आहे. नाउ dy by dx is equal to, formula is dy by dt upon dx by dt. Therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dt is the 2a and dx by dt is the 2at. Therefore dy by dx equal to 1 upon t. That is the first equation derivative. Now this equation is again differentiate with respect to x. वरती आपण काय केलंय? डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t आणि यानंतर पुढं डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x करायचं. डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x d2y by dx square and derivative of t 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square into derivative of t with respect to x, that is dt by dx. dt by dx. Now in next step we put the value dt by dx. dx by dt is the 2at. If we take the reciprocal, then we get so d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1 upon t square multiply dt by dx is 1 upon 2a into t. 2a into t. Now d2y by dx square equal to minus 1 upon t square multiplied by 2at. Value of 2at is equal to y. We put that value where y is equal to 2at. Now multiplication. We get t square y d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1. Put the value of t square. T square is equal to x upon a equal to minus 1. कशावर सबस्टिट्यूट केला आपण तर आपला x इक्वल टू at स्क्वेअर दिलाय आणि त्यावरून t स्क्वेअर किती मिळेल तर x upon a multiplied by a we get xy d2y by dx square equal to minus a. Therefore xy multiplied d2y by dx square plus a equal to 0 and hence the required proof. तर या पद्धतीने आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल प्रूफ करता येईल. अतिशय सिंपल मेथडने हे एक्झाम्पल सोडवता येईल. पण या एक्झाम्पल वरती आपल्याला काय दिलंय आणि काय प्रूफ करायचं या दोन्हींचंही व्यवस्थित ऑब्झर्वेशन करायचं आणि त्याच्यानुसार मग त्यामध्ये त्या पर्टिक्युलर स्टेपला व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट केल्या की आपला रिक्वायर्ड प्रूफ एकदम इझिली मिळेल. तर ही मेथड त्यासाठी एकदम बेस्ट असेल. वेगळ्या मेथडने याचं प्रूफ करायचं नाही. सो दॅट इज द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. नाउ वी प्रूव द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. Second example is if y is equal to a raised to m multiplied by sin inverse of x. Sin inverse of x. Then show that into the bracket 1 plus x square into second derivative plus into the bracket 2x minus m into dy by dx equal to 0 is equal to 0. परत एकदा पहा. प्रूफ मध्ये नवीन बुक आहे त्यामुळे बहुतेक या ठिकाणी 1 मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर असू शकतंय. पण आपण पाहू प्रूफ करताना त्यामध्ये काही करेक्शन वाटलं तर ते करेक्शन आपल्याला करता येईल. परत एकदा गिवन चेक करू आपण. y is equal to e raised to m into tan inverse x, sin inverse tan inverse x, tan inverse x. Now prove y is equal to a raised to m multiply tan inverse of the x, tan inverse of the x. Differentiate टेकिंग लॉग घेतलं तरी आपल्याला त्याचं सोल्युशन मिळवता येईल. पण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फार मोठा नाही त्यामुळे त्याला डायरेक्ट आहे त्या पोझिशन मध्ये डिफरन्शिएट करायचं. dy by dx equal to e raised to m multiply tan inverse of the x, tan inverse of the x multiply derivative of the m into tan inverse of x. dy by dx is equal to e raised to m tan inverse x is the y. You have to put this value y into derivative of this term is m multiply tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus x square. कारण m कॉन्स्टंट नंबर आहे त्यामुळे m फिक्स आणि tan इनवर्स x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 plus x square transfer into LHS side we get 1 plus x square multiply dy by dx and y multiply m, that is my. Now 1 plus x square into dy by dx minus my equal to 0. इथपर्यंत फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव्ह कंप्लीट झालं. अगेन डिफरन्शिएट with respective x. 1 plus x square fix, derivative of dy by dx is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx fix, derivative of the bracket is 0 plus 2x minus m fix and derivative of y is dy by dx. या ठिकाणी u multiply v root, first fix derivative of second function fix derivative of the first. Now this multiplication 1 plus x square into d2y by dx square plus 2x multiply dy by dx minus m into dy by dx equal to 0. आपल्याला काय प्रूफ करायचं तर त्याप्रमाणे फक्त dy by dx कॉमन घेतला की आपल्याला रिक्वायर्ड प्रूफ मिळेल. बघा लास्ट आहे therefore 1 plus x square multiply second derivative dy by dx common, we get 2x minus m multiply dy by dx equal to 0 and hence the required proof. So easily we get this proof. यामध्ये आपण टेकिंग लॉग न घेता सरळ त्याला डिफरन्शिएट केलं आणि डिफरन्शिएट केल्यामुळे आपल्याला बऱ्याचशा स्टेप कमी झाल्या आणि या पद्धतीने फक्त थोडंसं टेक्निकली आपण मायनस एम या साईडला घेतला आणि डिफरन्शिएट केलं की आपल्याला रिक्वायर्ड प्रूफ एकदम इझिली मिळेल. तर याला दुसऱ्या मेथडने सोडवायचं नाही. Our next example, example number 3. Example number 3. Example is x equal to cos 5. Example if y is equal to a raised to ax and e raised to ax into sine of the bx, then show that y2 minus 2 multiply a into y1 plus into the bracket a square plus b square into y equal to 0. y2 and y1. y2 represent the second derivative and y1 represent the first derivative. Divide by x. Now write the proof. Given function y equal to a raised to ax multiply sine of the bx. We have to differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. So apply the u multiply v rule. So e raised to ax multiply derivative of the sin bx plus sin bx fixed multiply derivative of the e raised to ax. काल आपण अशा टाइपचे 2-3 एग्जांपल सॉल्व केलते पाठीमागच्या लेक्चरला. सेम त्या टाइपचे हे एग्जांपल. dy by dx is equal to e raised to ax fixed derivative of sin is cos bx again multiply derivative of bx is b plus sin bx fixed into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to ax into derivative of ax is a. Now in next dy by dx is equal to e raised to ax into cos bx multiplied by b. So written as b multiply a raised to ax into cos bx plus this multiplication a multiply a raised to ax multiplied by sin bx multiplied by sin bx. Now this will be simplified. Dy by dx equal to b multiply e raised to ax into cos bx plus a fixed and put the value of e raised to ax into sin bx. That value is given, that is y, where y is equal to e raised to ax into sin bx. So again differentiate this term. Again differentiate with respect to x. So we get d2y by dx square is equal to b fixed multiplied by the derivative of e raised to ax multiply cos bx. So e raised to ax fixed derivative of cos is minus sin bx multiplied by b plus cos bx fixed into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x multiplied by a. This derivative is completed plus a fixed derivative of y is dy by dx. Dy by dx. Now next step. See this. Now see this. Next, therefore, d2y by dx square equal to, taking this multiplication, we get minus b square e raised to ax minus b square e raised to ax multiplied by sin bx plus a multiplied by e raised to ax into cos bx b multiply a, that is ab, plus m into dy by dx. Second derivative is completed now. Second derivative represented by the y2 minus b square minus of b square e raised to ax into sin bx, that will be y, plus ab into e raised to ax cos bx, and dy by dx represented by the y1. Now it is called as the equation number 1. Now from the equation, now dy by dx equal to b multiplied by e raised to ax, b multiply e raised to ax multiplied by cos bx plus ay. dy by dx is represented by the y1 is equal to b multiply e raised to ax plus into cos bx plus ay. We have to calculate the value of b multiply e raised to cos x. So we get y1 minus ay equal to b multiply e raised to ax into cos bx. It is called equation number 2, and we put equation 2 in 1. So we get y2 is equal to minus b square y plus a into the bracket b multiply e raised to cos bx is y1 minus ay plus ay1. Now simplify this. y2 is equal to minus b square y plus ay1 minus a square y plus ay1. y2 is equal to minus b square y plus 2 plus minus a square y plus 2ay1. आपण अगदी जवळपास आलोय. All terms are transferred into this side, or maybe this y2 is transferred into RHS side. Any one process. y2 minus 2ay1 transfer, that becomes minus 2ay1 minus b square becomes plus b square y plus a square y equal to 0. So y2 minus 2ay1 plus b square plus a square multiplied by y equal to 0, and hence the required proof. तसं हे जास्त डिफिकल्ट असणार एक्झाम्पल आहे प्रूफच्या बाबतीत, तरी आपण त्याला या पद्धतीने सॉल्व केलंय. तर ठीक आहे, यानंतरचे जे एक्झाम्पल आहेत ते आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये घेऊ. ओके.